Assalamu alaikum. This is your backyard, and today we have Sister Farah Scott, one of the founders of Hurricane Stars Club. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Farah.
Welcome,
How are
Sam.
you?
Good, Hamza.
Who is Farah Scott?
I'm born and bred here in Brisbane. I grew up in Redcliffe.
And how was life in Redcliffe?
Very quiet, so it's not now, but at that time it was a very countryside place, big, massive acreages.
So can you tell me about your position at Hurricane Star Club?
I volunteer at the Hurricane Stars Club. So basically, I run all the programs, organize all the programs. I'm there to help set them up, pack them up, coordinate them, just basically do a little bit of everything everywhere.
And Sister Farah, you were there from the beginning.
Yes, yeah.
What was the vision when you started? What was your vision for Hurricane Stars Club?
Just to provide, a variety of opportunities for the community. There are a lot of different religious activities out there for people to do, but there wasn't much outside of religious activities. So our mission was to leave religious education, religious activities up to the religious organizations. That's their specialty, and not to compete with them in that, but provide the community with other opportunities to be sociable, to have fun, to be active. Yeah.
Can you tell me the journey from how it started and where it is today?
Yeah. I mean, we originally started just to do activities for kids. Originally, there was some sisters doing activities for young girls, but there was nothing for young boys. So I thought I would do something for young boys. So we started the Young Amirs Club. But then as we would run different activities, the mums would say to me, "Oh, could I bring my daughter along? I can't leave her home alone while I'm taking my son to this activity." I'd be like, "Sure." So then it ended up being boys and girls coming to the activities. So we just made it a general kind of youth group. And then the ladies would like our activities and say, "Ladies can do this. Why can't you organize this for us to have fun while our kids are at school or something?" So then we started organizing ladies' activities also. And then we started doing the ladies' swimming program. And that, to our surprise, was a huge success. We didn't realize the demand out there that ladies wanted to do swimming. And we started off with just swimming lessons and found out there's a huge demand out there. They wanted aqua aerobics. They wanted just to have fun swimming. They wanted mums and bubs classes, kids classes. So we just expanded from there. And then, we wanted we could see there were so many programs out there that were needed, but we needed a consistent place to be able to do them in. So I partnered with one of my friends, and we rented an office in Logan Central, and then we just expanded the number of activities, that we are doing. And we started the Bunnings barbecue, so that the only halal Bunnings barbecue, so that we could have fun to pay the rent, because we're not government funded. So and it grew from then. Then people would say to us, well, they want a more consistent youth program. So then when people said, well, let's try to do something like Scouts. And I thought, why do something like Scouts? Let's investigate how to join the Scouts. So then, the Scouts really embraced us joining. So then we started Queensland's only and first Muslim Scout group. So then that's where we're to running the programs now. Yeah.
Sounds like you've been busy.
Yeah.
Sister Farah, can you name some of the activities that you do for the community?
Yeah, we do a variety of weekly activities. We do something almost every day. We do the ladies' swimming classes and the aqua aerobics classes for ladies, Pilates classes for ladies, those ladies who have difficulty doing regular exercise. They're nice and low impact. We have play group every week. We have ladies' art classes, sewing classes, calligraphy classes, and we also do ladies' cooking classes. And on weekends, we do the Muslim Crescent Scout Group. So we meet once a week. We have kids aged from 5 years old to 18 years old. So they're divided up into different sections and they do a wide variety of activities. So we're really excited that, we've been able to provide them with so many opportunities. They've been able to go sailing, kayaking, canoeing, stand-up paddleboarding, archery, camping, bushwalking, bushcraft. So they're able to experience all these things they wouldn't ordinarily have the chance to do, as well as making new friends and having fun and learning amazing skills from it.
And is it a duration of a few days or just a day, the Scout group?
We meet once a week during school terms all year long.
So once it, like the campfires and scouting will be only a day?
Yeah, I mean, if we do a camp, it's a weekend thing. But we usually meet one day a week, every Sunday, and every week we do something different. Yeah.
Stars Club, not being a non-profit.
Being a not-for-profit, yeah.
It's not a profit. So where do you get your funds from?
We work hard for fundraising. So yeah, we are all volunteers. We do pay our experts to run our programs, but it's run by volunteers. I volunteered all these years, so that helps us to be able to get by, and we just have to do fundraising to cover all the expenses of keeping the center operating.
And if you could have some assistance from the community, what would you want them to do? Like, what would be of great assistance to Hurricane Stars Club?
To come to our activities, to support our programs, volunteer, help out. If they want to give some donation, that would be great. But yeah.
Sister Farah, what drives you? What drives you to keep working, keep pushing, keep achieving?
I think just the feedback from our participants, that they really do appreciate that they've been given these opportunities, and they appreciate our hard work, and their constant, thanks and appreciation is what motivates us to keep going.
What's your vision for the future for Hurricane Stars Club?
We're just trying to break down barriers, give people those opportunities that they don't usually have, provide them with opportunities to get out there, to have new experiences, to learn new skills and make new friends, socialize and have fun while they're doing it.